Everything was earned, not given. There's two sides to this story. Barber by day, red-eye barber by night. My heart been broke so many times. So I'm back at AUTOSHOP. What's up, Millionaire Squad, man? It's your boy, the only millionaire barber. I think I'm at the right door. Let me see. Come on, yeah! Row. Before you, man, make sure you watch this whole video, man. I'm pissed. I'm upset. I'm back here. I gotta pick up my rims because I gotta go wider. I got the fenders, man. The fenders is wider than the rims, so the rims don't look good unless I make them wider. So I'm about to add 2 more inches already on something. Look, man, that boy always working, man. Alright, man. So, I gotta get these damn rims and everything, man, because I done messed up. What's up, y'all?
What's up, brother?
Always vlogging, man. What's going on, man? ¿Qué pasó, amigo?
It's good.
Benico, did they do pillow? Oi?
Oi?
Yeah, that boy don't want to get a haircut, man. It's all good, man, but not today.
I mean, I'm ready today.
But yeah, man, let me load these things up real quick, man. So as you see, I gotta go wider. Add extra 2 to 3 inches. These boy done put it in bubble wrap, man. I used to put that in the house and just got stepping on it and jumping on it and everything.
This ain't been me with the kids to do. Back then, he used to move.
Be back with y'all in a minute, man. My boy said he said he booked up for the rest of the year, man. So if y'all don't already know, like I said, I'm over here at AUTOBOSS. That's my boy Juan. You don't need to know his middle and last name, man. Just know he's an illegal alien, but he here making money in the US, man. But yeah, I just had to come pick up the rims and everything. I'm finna smash off, let these boys get back to work. So get up with you though, man.
All right, Jojo.
All right, dog. Appreciate it though, man. All right, now, hey, as soon as they come back, then I'll let you know.
Let me know so you can put the tires back on.
Yeah, because he said it's gonna be the same. Says it's gonna be the same tire. You ain't gotta stretch the tire out or nothing like that.
Same tire?
Yeah, it's gonna be the same tire. They just extending the back part.
The wheels of my car here.
Oh,
That's it. Everybody grabbing attention.
is it out there?
Nah, at home.
Oh shit.
I mean, I hope the tires are bought. I fucking order the tires. Nobody has tires in stock. Nobody.
That's the thing is the China, man. Fucking with everything. Clippers, we can't even.
Tires.
I can't even get clippers and stuff made, man. So
Damn.
trying to mess with everything, but
I said whining about them hoes. I wanted them hoes.
yeah. Oh, you talking about the rims?
Hell yeah.
Shit, you should have jumped on them, man. Look,
I told him. No, I like, Jay, you want to buy some wheels? Nah, I don't like them.
bro.
But the minute I put them on my car, he like, fuck, I should have bought them.
Yeah, you can't see it on here, man. I can't wait to see it in person, though. I'm trying to see. Look, man, I done sold the rims to that boy, man. Look, ooh, done turned into a whole nother beast. Now they look better on that, bro.
Everybody looks like shit.
I think because it's
looking at the car, like, damn, what he did to him? Like, it's the wheels. Like,
because it's black on black too,
Yeah.
and I like that, man.
everybody like it. It's a pretty good deal.
Yeah.
Like it.
No, we gonna work it out though, man. But
Yeah.
let me get my ass out of here. All right now. So like y'all see, man, here go the rims real quick. I gotta take them back, man, and get them wider, man. So about 2 more inches higher is what it's gonna be. Stay tuned, man. We got more stuff coming for y'all. Ain't that right, man?
Oh, yeah, a whole lot.
Man, these boys don't know what's about to happen, man.
Sleep is.
Huh? That boy said he don't know what sleep is. They don't know what's about to happen to the red eye. Big time changes.
Oh yeah.
All right, kinfolk.
You got a before and after picture already, huh?
Before and after what?
Oh, your trunk.
Uh-uh.
I go take it before, and then it's posted for the later, for that transformation.
Yeah.
Hey, this is your old setup.
Yeah.
Stay tuned and all that.
Come on, man. People like, man, when is it gonna be ready? Shut up. Don't worry about it. You don't rush greatness, y'all.
Nah, not at all.
Right. And I'm happy it's starting to it's gonna get cooler by August, September anyway. Shit, the wrap will be a whole lot better. So what I'm doing right now, y'all, I'm taking a picture of my trunk space because I got some stuff coming for the trunk. Remember, I'm selling the louver and all of that stuff, man. So this is the trunk space right now, y'all. So I'm gonna take a picture of it. That's another hold up. I wouldn't say it's a hold up, but that's another thing that I'm working on right now. So get that thing. All right, bro. But yeah, as you can see, man, stuff is getting done. It's about to get on. Wide body pieces, changing calipers, don't worry about the color. This car ain't gonna even look the same. You see the bubble wrap for a reason. Stay tuned, man, and I'm still on bags, man, so stop playing. Still on bags, man. I'm still on bags. Then y'all know where the closest UPS at? I'll Google it.
You talking about just something where you can drop off something?
Something big though.
Oh, is it? Because I was gonna say they got 2 boxes, a FedEx and a UPS box.
Yeah.
A lot
No.
bigger. Oh, never mind.
Right.
Yeah, okay.
All right, y'all. So yeah, man, I had to send a picture, take a picture of, had to take a picture of the stuff that I'm getting before the transformation, y'all. So now I'm on my way to UPS. Oh shit. I'm on my way to UPS, man. You can see the rims in the back. And we're gonna go from there, y'all. Just know it's getting wider, man. So when I get over there, man, I'm gonna check back in with y'all, because you know I don't like vlogging and talking at the same time. You dig? So, getting ready to send these rims on back. I don't know how much they're gonna charge me for them, man, but here we go. Oh, I'm gonna have these dudes do it. Y'all don't understand how hard work this is. Hard labor, man. So I'm up here at UPS, man. Y'all can see, getting ready to ship my boys off, man. So for the ones that don't know and haven't seen, I gotta send them back. I can make them wider. So I can make them wider, man. So hard work on my day off, man. But hey, somebody gotta do it. See, this is what happens, man, when you rush things. Now you gotta send it back. You send it back, now you gotta pay double. You pay double, now you gotta work harder to get the money back. That makes any sense to y'all? Never be in a hurry to get things done. It's a pandemic going on. You can wait it out. We've been waiting this long. Man, who knows, man? The Challenger is gone, then the next car messes up. Now I gotta take the battery out of my Jeep, take it over there to O'Reilly's, get a new battery part, and finish this day, man. Shit. I feel like it's more money, more problems, y'all. Like every time something go out, don't you feel like you gotta fix it every single time? So I know you can't see it, man. Shout out to my homeboy, man, put my Jeep together, man. So many goddamn wires and doohickeys, man. So I'm trying to see what, it's almost like that the operations game. Be careful which one's gonna detonate this. I don't even know, man. I'm gonna just start taking off all type of stuff, man. If it don't start back up, so be it. I'm selling this. Matter of fact, I might do a raffle. Somebody might want this thing, man. So it's always something, man. That's what a true entrepreneur, a true boss goes through. When you sit down, I mean, you got too much time on your hands. But when you're doing stuff, you constantly moving, you constantly going, then you see the things, then you finally sit back like, damn, I had a fun-filled day or I had a busy day. That's what a lot of bosses go through, man. So I had so many things to do and it becomes so tedious, but I'd rather do it because I know it'll get done right. You know, but now I'm getting to that age where I can tell people what to do and expect them to get it done right. So I'm gonna get ready to take this damn battery out, then be able to take it back or O'Reilly, get it switched out, man. You know, I got lifetime warranty on it, so stay tuned, man. I'm trying to get my Jeep back and running. That's why my other video wouldn't start. I found out the problem, man. So it's your boy, the Millionaire Barber, man. Billionaire Squad. If you got cash and goals and dreams and aspirations of being rich, man, be rich mentally. Be rich in your spirit. Don't be a rich monetary value. So let that sizzle your spirit. I don't know how long I've been gone. Felt like eternity, man, but I ain't gonna even lie. That's why I'm a barber. That's why I'm a boss. Look at all this shit. I got all the tools you need. Man, just to get a goddamn battery out of a Jeep. It don't make no sense, man. I'm over here sweating. Hey, but I got it. Yes, I'm off the market, man. So y'all better, somebody that be able to take a battery out, change a battery. Come on, man. Put it up in this thing. Whew. I can tell you right now, that motherfucker heavy though. Oh man. So, like I said before, man, bosses never stop. Bosses always working. So I'm gonna take this battery. Take this battery to one of them damn stores. One of them damn stores. So I can get my Jeep back going, y'all. So I ain't gave her no love. I ain't put it in her in a while. I stuck that key up in the ignition. As soon as I do that, man, then my day is complete. I'm gonna sit up here, relax. This is my off day, but I never have an off day. That's why I try to tell y'all, I never have off days. So, I'm gonna get this battery, man, trade this other one in. Shout out to, I switched up too, man. Like I said, I was vlogging with my GX, what's this? G7X. Now I done read up, man. Got me some lenses, E35 joint. I got the E50 joint plus the wide lens joint on my new camera. So the thing is, and I'm not sponsored by them, but the thing is, I had an A6000 Sony before, you know what I'm saying? But now this one allows it to flip, you know. Hold on. Yeah, there you go. So it flip all the way up so you can see it. So the other one didn't, you know, just like this Canon, but the other Sony I had didn't. So I had to go get me a new one because I got a couple notes, emails and stuff. People was like, man, that Canon T6 Rebel joint I just had, it's in the garbage already. So I was using that to vlog and everything, man. So now I'm coming with bigger and better stuff. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like. Make sure you share this thing because I'm coming every day. Day 5, the Millionaire Squad. Whatever you believe you see, you can achieve it, man. So I'm gonna be along the journey with y'all. Y'all be along the journey with me. We out. Till next time.